Good morning, everyone. Our second topic is data preparation, and now we are going to learn about how to prepare data. Okay, all right. That we have covered the basics, let's dive into the data preparation. This is all about getting your data in the right shape before you start analyzing it. We don't want to be dealing with messy, inconsistent data while you're trying to find insights, right? So here are the key steps. How to add an index field using R and Python. This is our first step. Let me show you my Google Colab. Okay. How to add an index field using R and Python. One of the first things you might want to do is to add an index field. This is like giving every row in your data a unique ID. It helps you keep track of the data, especially when you start manipulating it. In Python with pandas, you can easily add an index columns. I have given the Python code example. Adding an index is just a good practice and it will save you time later when you need to refer it to rows individually. So indexing is important as we have seen an example. Now we are going to the second point. Next up, you'll come across situations where some fields have misleading values. For example, you might have a column for gender where some entries say M and others say male. You want to standardize this so everything matches. In Python, you can easily replace these values using the replace function. As I've given an example, you can see that we have imported the library and changed the misleading values to replace the function, and this is our required output. By doing this, we are ensuring that our data is consistent and our analysis goes smoothly. As we have seen, this is a frame in Python, an index. We have standardized the index using the pandas library. Now we are moving on to the next subtopic, how to express categorical field values. Sometimes you will want to change categorical field values into something more usable, like turning low, medium, and high to 1, 2, and 3. This helps especially when you are using the data for machine learning. In Python, you can use the map function to do this. As I've given an example, re-expressing categorical data like this helps the models understand the data better. As you can see that. Now, moving on to the next subtopic, how to standardize numerical fields. Standardizing your numeric field is crucial when the data has different scales. For example, one field could be in thousands and another in percentages, which might affect your analysis. In Python, you can standardize data using standard scalar. As I have given an example, you can read it. Standardizing is important for making sure your model treats all numeric data equally, especially for machine learning algorithms. Now, next topic is how to identify outliers. Finally, outliers are data points that don't fit the normal pattern. These could be errors or just rare cases. You want to identify them to see if they are worth keeping or not. Outliers are data points that differ significantly from observations. Identifying and handling outliers is more important as they can distort statistical analysis. Okay, so we have seen everything in the data preparation topic. I have given definitions, examples, explanations. I hope you all understand it. Thank you for your time. And now, in the next video, I'm going to talk about exploratory data analysis. Thank you.